Good morning to all. My name is Renu Hashri from St. Anthony's College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are going to see the subject called Digital Principles. In that subject I am going to handle the third unit. This third unit has only a single subtopic that is called Logic Gates. It may be very important, 15 mark or 4 mark. This logic gates consist of three types. This logic gate has three types. They are basic gates, universal gates, special gates. Basic gates, universal gates, special gates. This basic gate has three types: and, or, not. We have already seen a basic about all these basic gates in second unit. And means multiplication, dot operator. Or means addition, plus operator. Not means inversion, reversing it. Likewise, we will see deeply the truth table for all these things and everything. Second is universal gate. In this universal gate, the reverse of this and, or, and not, NAND, NOR, likewise gates. Last is special gates. Special gates has two types, XOR, XNOR. We can see all these steps one by one. First we can see the basic gates. In this basic gates there are three: and, or, not. We are going to see its explanation, truth table, circuit diagram, everything. Third unit, Digital Principles, Logic Gates. These logic gates are of three types: basic gates, universal gates, special gates. Basic gate means and, or, not. Universal gates, NOR, NAND. Special gates, XOR, XNOR. First, basic gates. AND gate. It has two or more inputs and produces an output. It represents with a symbol dot operator, means multiplication. Truth table, AB. It may be two or more input, but it will produce a single output. It will be represented as Y. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 cross 0 0. Anything multiplied with 0 0. 1 cross 1 1. But it's to find it easily the output, this dot operator, with the help of this dot operator we can find the output. But what this truth table tells us, it's like in the circuit diagram. It's a circuit thing. When both the input I give 0 means we can take it as a false also. When both the input is false, the output will be false. In AND gate, or else if any one of the input is also false, the output will be false. The same in AND gate. Only in AND gate the output will be true only when the both inputs are true. It means 1. The diagram for the AND gate is two inputs, it comes A, B. Straight line, it should come like this, and a single output A dot B. Thus the AND gate produces an output Y. This we have already seen in second unit. Next is OR gate. It has two or more inputs and produces an output. It represents the symbol plus. Two or more inputs, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Y is equal to A plus B. Here to find it easily, I have told you we can add it. So while adding it we can get like this, 0 triple 1. So but while explaining this truth table, we have to explain that when I am giving true input, if any one of the input is true, the output will be true. Only the output will be false in OR gate only when both the inputs are 0. It means false. Now I will draw you the diagram for OR gate. OR gate, there comes two inputs A, B. And for OR gate, it should not come the straight line, it should come the curved line, and we have to join it. This is the circuit diagram, and the output Y is equal to A plus B. You have to mention this. Next, third one is NOT gate. It means the inversion of the given variable. It has only single output and single input. It is also called inverter. 0 na, the output will be 1. If 1 is the input, the output will be 0. And circuit diagram for this is only a single input. Not operator, it should, the symbol in the center should come like triangle. Only single output. Y is equal to A bar. Bubble should be come. A. Second type we are going to see universal gates. In this universal gates, NAND, NOR. NAND, the word N-A-N-D, NAND means it is the reverse of AND. NOR means it is the reverse of OR. The truth table will also be reversed. And we don't need to worry much about the truth table. We can just reverse the AND truth table and OR truth table. Universal gates. NAND gate, reverse of AND gate. A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. My output will be the reverse of AND gate. See here in this AND gate, the output is only when it becomes true only when both the inputs are true. Otherwise, it's full of false. But in NAND gate, only it will become false when both the inputs are true. It's just reverse. There were 0001. Here 111 and I have to mention it as A dot B. The symbol is same multiplication, but as it is a reverse NAND, you have to precede it with the over bar. A dot B the whole bar. And now I am going to draw the circuit diagram for NAND gate. There are two inputs A, B. For NAND gate, it should come a straight line. As it's a reverse NAND gate, so I have to draw a bubble in front of the before it comes to output. Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. Next gate we are seeing in this universal gate is NOR gate. The same reverse of OR gate. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now we came to the OR gate. In OR gate, when it becomes false, only when both the inputs are false. If any one of the input is true, it accepts it. But in NOR gate, it will become true only when both the inputs are 0. Otherwise, the output will be 0. And the diagram for NOR gate is the addition A plus B the whole bar. Diagram is 2 input I am giving A, B. NOR gate, it should come with a curve symbol. And it should be preceded with a bubble before output. Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. Next, last type is special gates. In this special gates, first is XOR gate. This X denotes exclusive OR. The symbol for this is OR gate means addition plus, and we have to draw a circle around it. This is the symbol for XOR. As like a truth table 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In this XOR, the output will be false only when both the inputs are same, like twins we can tell. When both the inputs are same, 0 or 1, the output will be 0, false. If any one of them differ, the output will be 1, true. Here the output differs, here the input differs, so the output is true. Here both the inputs are same, so the output is 0, false. And I am going to now draw the circuit diagram for XOR gate. As like we are giving two inputs A, B. In this XOR gate, I am going to draw a curved line, another curved line. Then the single output is produced. Y is equal to A plus whole the bar. For XOR, we have to draw two curved lines and we have to join it with the output line. The last type in the last special gates is XNOR gate. XNOR gate means the symbol is dot and circle symbol. Inputs we are giving 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here it is the reverse of the XOR gate. In XOR gate I told the output will become false only when both the inputs are same, twins like. But in XNOR gate the output will be true only when both the inputs are twins like, true like. Here the both the inputs are same, so I have done the output as true, 1 1. The other things are 0. And diagram for XNOR is same. Two outputs I have produced, inputs A, B. The same two curve you have to draw. It should proceed with the bubble as it is a NOR gate. Y is equal to A dot the whole B.